Well, the snow is over. Clouds are clearing. You can see the sun up there. And boy, do we have some serious snow. This is probably the most snow we've ever had here. You can see how high it is, but even that doesn't necessarily show you. Take a look here by the cars. Snow is pretty much, up to door level. The better half of right here, probably 3 feet. Take a look on this side of the cars. Look at my car back there, it's buried. I mean, it's that high. It's crazy. You can see the roof, how much it's up there and drifted over. And even to give you a perspective with the trash cans, and then this post here in the yard with the horse's head, it's up to there. It's crazy. I mean, we have over 30 inches at this point. It's a lot of snow, so we'll be digging out for a few days, no doubt. I'm thinking this is probably the most we've ever had in one time. And at best right now, it's one car passing on this road, but we won't even be able to get out of here, until tomorrow at the earliest at some point. It's crazy.